Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Super Fowlst 2 application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away without wasting much of our time. The first thing to do is to make sure your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, launch Open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Super Fowlst 2 and search. Look for this application and then tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone. Super Fowlst 2 is a skill-based action game where you swipe attack enemies to save the world. Wait for the app to download and install, and once it does, open the application on your iPhone and start playing. So that is how you will be able to download the Super Fowlst 2 application on iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.